Hey, what's up guys? I am down here in sunny South Florida. It is a beautiful day. Take a look behind me. I'm enjoying our family's vacation home and I love it down here. Spending time with the family, getting my Ironman workouts in, that's coming up, and still working hard on the business. And that's the message of my daily dose today is if you build your business to a certain level, you can get to where you don't always have to be there to run it, right? So just give you an example. The last 3 days we've closed or ratified 9 deals. One of them was a double-sided, so we represent the buyer and the seller deal for $1,058,000. That is a big number, big commission check, but it's only possible because of the work that we put in and because we built the right systems early on. Okay, so that should be your goal, is to create a business that can scale all the time, when you're there, when you're not, right? That you can work on it from anywhere in the world, and one that will give you enough money, but just as importantly, enough time. Because if you don't have the time to enjoy that money with people that you love, doing things that you love, you might as well not have it. So my goal for you guys listening out there, watching these videos, is to learn from me, learn how to build a business HyperFast that gives you the kind of money and the kind of time you need to really enjoy life. Right? So no matter where you are, what you're doing, make that your goal. If you agree with me, hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button too if you have not. Turn on those post notifications. Give me some feedback, leave some comments down there. I will answer all of them, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, leave us some comments. We want to know your feedback, and share this with someone that you think could benefit as well. And if you want to see more great videos, click this playlist up here, or better yet, click right here to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our updates.